Today we have a case involving a 12-day trial. Josh Tope brought a divorce proceeding in November of 2011 against his wife. He had worked as an engineering consultant and made $46,000 a year. Previously he had worked as an engineer and made $90,000 a year. He gave up the better job because he wanted to be involved in buying and selling real estate. There was a judge in Suffolk County before Judge Patrick Lease. Judge Lease ruled that Mr. Tope had engaged in obstructionist conduct. The conduct caused the trial to last 12 days. As a result of his obstructionist inappropriate conduct, Judge Lease ordered he pay his wife's attorney's fees. Judge Lease stated in his opinion, the case highlights the difficulties that arise when one party uses their self-represented status as both a sword and a shield in an attempt to gain undue advantage and behaves in a manner that the court would not tolerate from an attorney. Judge Lease's position was the divorce trial should have lasted no more than 4 days. Judge Lease went on to state, simple justice dictates that a defendant who chooses to function in a position of anger and resentment not be allowed to purposely drive up the other party's lawyer's fees, that he should be made responsible for the other party's attorney's fees in this case. The issues at trial dealt solely with outstanding debts, such as mortgages, credit cards, and legal fees. Prior to moving forward, Tope requested Judge Lease recuse himself from handling the trial. Tope threatened to file a complaint against Judge Lease for improper judicial conduct if he didn't step down. Judge Lease said Mr. Tope's allegations were frivolous. Judge Lease found that Tope acted in an aggressive, inappropriate manner during the course of the trial. He ignored the judge's rulings. He failed to follow the judge's instructions. He shouted at the plaintiff's attorney in an aggressive, hostile manner. Judge Lease took the position Tope took this action to punish his wife and run up her lawyer's fees. Judge Lease ruled, despite the fact that Tope was not earning more than his wife at that time, that he was going to impute $90,000 a year as income. He found that Tope, with the imputed income, was based in a superior position to pay the wife's attorney's fees. The conclusion from this case is that it is not a good idea to behave in a courtroom in an inappropriate manner. If you piss off the judge, you are making the mistake of a lifetime.